At the Eicma Milan Motorbike Show, Kymco showcased the most recent iterations of its two high-performance electric motorcycle concepts, offering riders a preview of what the big two-wheeler producers have in store. Both bikes are touted to have a multi-speed transmission in addition to fast speeds, great torque, and other impressive features. Additionally, both motorcycles appear to vanish from the company's product lineup, receiving only sporadic upgrades over the years while having no established production plan. By revealing their redesign at Eicma 2022, Kymco is now giving a pair of bikes new life. The debut of electric bikes at Eicma 2022 has been a recurring subject, but we still don't know exactly what the bike will provide in terms of specific technical specifications. However, we do have a fair notion of what platforms SuperNEX and RevoNEX could be using in common. Although Kymco mentioned in an interview with Electrek that it may be a simulated type of electronic shifting rather than a conventional gearbox, we still don't know much about the gearshift that will be utilized on the bike.